Captain, our engine room is on fire. Over.
Attention all crew, proceed to the firefighting.
Captain, fire cannot be controlled. Over.
Fire cannot be controlled. Abandon the ship. Okay, listen, afternoon watch. Abandon ship.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Motor Vessels RS-01. This is Motor Vessels RS-01. Call sign, Alpha Romeo India Echo Sierra. I repeat, Alpha Romeo India Echo Sierra. MMSI 943667514. I repeat, 943667514. Position latitude 38 degrees 45 minutes north. Longitude 72 degrees 10 minutes east. Approximately 5 nautical miles east of Panglao, Bohol. Our vessel is currently standby. We have 14 crew members on board. There is damage to the vessels due to fire and can't be controlled. I'm ready to abandon the ship. I request immediate assistance from the nearest rescue vessels. Over.